Intense music begins. Hey, true crime fans! Today I've got another twist in the Delphi murder case that's bound to leave you speechless. Special Judge Fran Gull has made a huge decision. She won't throw out the murder charges against Richard Allen. Let's dive into why this is a big deal. Allen stands accused of the brutal murders of Abby Williams and Libby German near the Monon High Bridge back in February 2017. His attorneys have been fighting tooth and nail to get the charges dismissed. Their latest move? Arguing that key interviews with potential suspects were deleted, which they claim is a case of spoliation of evidence. Now you might be wondering, what the heck is spoliation? Spoliation of evidence is the intentional or negligent destruction, alteration, or hiding of evidence. In a case like this, it's a pretty big deal. Allen's defense team has pushed a theory that the murders were actually ritual sacrifices by a cult practicing Odinism. They argued that these deleted interviews with suspects could have been pivotal in proving this theory. But here's the kicker. The Carroll County prosecutor fired back, saying these interviews were not evidence at all related to this case. They were from the early days of the investigation and were reportedly taped over due to a DVR error at the police station. Judge Gull sided with the prosecutor, stating that the interviews were not with suspects in Abby and Libby's deaths. She also pointed out that Allen's attorneys failed to prove the interviews were destroyed negligently, intentionally, or in bad faith. In her dismissal, Gull noted that the recordings were lost either due to human error or equipment resetting. Plus, investigators had documented the interviews, a fact even the defense team admitted. With this latest attempt to dismiss the charges denied, the case against Richard Allen continues to gain momentum as it heads toward trial. In Indiana, legal proceedings require sharing data and evidence to establish fault or negligence. Proper evidence handling is crucial, and any mishandling can lead to spoliation concerns. Spoliation can severely impact a case, especially with digital evidence, which is increasingly relevant in modern litigation. So, what can be done when crucial evidence is destroyed? Federal statutes criminalize the purposeful destruction of evidence. Preservation notices are critical to alerting all parties to maintain and protect data. Failing to do so can result in penalties like imprisonment or payment of legal fees. Courts can employ controls to minimize and manage spoliation issues, but they can't always reverse the damage. If spoliation concerns arise, the court considers the damage's impact, the degree of bad faith, and the relevance of the evidence. Preventing spoliation is key, and leveraging forensic techniques and experts is the best way to ensure evidence integrity. As the Delphi case moves forward, it's a stark reminder of how crucial evidence handling is in seeking justice. Stay tuned, true crime fans, because this case is far from over. Intense music fades out. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.